Where's our next clue?
I should give the glass down.
Let me see.
What?
Oh, toy bin number 1.
Corbin number 1?
Yep. Downstairs. Look at the picture. It looks like one of the downstairs toy bins, right? Come on back down, Iz. Come on.
He's so good at it. Looks like a trash can.
You just finding eggs and eating candy. Let's go back downstairs. Come on down. Boom. 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 Okay, so it said toy bin number 1, and that's number 3.
What is it I can do?
See, it might be Izzy's.
Let me see. Yep, it's Izzy's.
Alright, so go to toy bin number 1.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. We never noticed those.
Oh, I bet that means it's the last one.
Oh.
Where to? All done. There. Can you sound it out?
Bag. Big.
Big. Good.
Can't sound this word out.
Closet. The big closet upstairs.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's where your Easter basket is. Let's go see. The big closet upstairs is right here. There it is! Check it out! Wow! Awesome! It's a soccer ball in there.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
All right. Show it to the camera so Daddy can see it. Cool. We'll have to play with that outside later. All right, let's do Izzy's turn. Come on down.
That was funny.
Yeah. Let's go downstairs so we can do Izzy's turn. Come on.
Can I open this?